how to manually set the clock time on the Toyota CHR 2023. So first press on the menu button to return back to the menu screen. From here, tap on setup, then tap on clock. Now go down and tap on auto adjust by GPS, and make sure you tap on this button to switch it off. Once you turn it off, you can manually change the hour. So press on the hour button, minus or the plus button, to increase or decrease the hour. Then you can tap on the minus and the plus button for the minutes to increase the minutes or decrease the minutes. And in here you can set it to 00, and then you can add or minus. And that's it. That is how you can manually change your clock time on the Toyota CHR 2023. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.